Every single drop of your pumped milk is like pure liquid gold. But honestly, knowing how to store it safely can feel like a high school science project. Are you terrified of accidentally destroying all those precious nutrients? Well, lean in close, sweet mama. Today, we are breaking down the absolute best storage secrets together. First, always use clean, BPA-free plastic storage bags or glass bottles. Never use regular zip bags because they leak so easily. Imagine that messy heartbreak. When pouring your milk, always leave an inch of empty space at the top. Why? Because milk expands like crazy when it freezes. Write the exact date on the bag before putting it away. Trust me, you will completely forget the date by next week. Now, where should you place it inside your freezer? Never store your milk bags in the freezer door. The temperature shifts every single time you open it. Instead, tuck them way in the back where it stays freezing cold. Let's talk about safely thawing that frozen milk when your baby is hungry. The absolute safest way is placing the bag in the fridge overnight. Never, ever use a microwave to thaw or heat your milk. Microwaves create dangerous hot spots that can burn your baby's mouth. Plus, high heat kills all the beautiful immune-boosting nutrients. Want a much faster way? Swirl the bag in a bowl of warm water instead. Keep the water warm, not boiling hot. Did you know that thawed milk can stay in the fridge for up to 24 hours? But here is a golden rule you must always remember. Never refreeze milk after it has been thawed out once. If your baby does not finish the bottle, use it within 2 hours or throw it away. I know it hurts to waste it, but safety always comes first. How do you usually store your milk right now? Share your routine below because we are all in this together.